Hi everyone, it's Angela from Earrings by Angela, and I just wanted to take a moment to talk about some of the ABCs of jewelry making. This is our series. I just want to have a small, quick, but efficient conversation about knowing your stuff, okay? This is muy importante, okay? So there's nothing more embarrassing than a customer coming up to you and asking you about your materials, and you stand there like a deer in the headlight. They may ask you, what material is this, right? um or what is it made of, meaning, is it al- how come I cannot say allergenic? Why am I stuttering, you guys? Is it, sterling silver? Is it non-tarnished wire that you're using? Because people want to know what they're putting on their bodies, and if is it going to change colors, is it going to turn green or anything like that, will it make them break out? And this is where you come in. This is what you need to know, because even when you're using, if you're creating leather products and you have someone who is vegan, it might be like, is this an animal-based leather or is it like a vegan leather? What type of, if you're using feathers in your artwork, what type of feathers are they? Are they turkey feathers? Are they peacock feathers? Are they whatever, whatever? How do I take care of the feather jewelry that you're creating? These are things that you need to know. So I try to really help you answer these questions by creating the videos that I create. And that's why we have the crystal videos, because if you're using crystals and gemstones, you are most definitely going to get the questions of, how do you take care of the crystals? How do you use the crystals to enhance your chakras? Like, what is this? What does this crystal stand for? What is the meaning? What does it symbolize? Is it against my religion? All those things. And those are answers, you guys, that I have in the Crystal Energy 101 course. So I will put the link to that in the description. And any other links that I feel that maybe you need for knowing your stuff. But I want you to stay tuned. So if you have not subscribed to our channel, you definitely want to do that, because I will be breaking down a lot of the findings and a lot of the, different types of beads and stones and whatnot. So you definitely want to be tuned in for that, so that you know your stuff, right? And question in the comments, let me know if for some of these specific videos, if you need a download um that you can access to keep in your personal file, so you don't have to keep looking stuff up, because you may not always be on the internet. So let me know if that's something that you need from me, okay? Because all you gotta do is ask, and I will do my best to deliver. So that is why we need to know our stuff. But just the fact that, in knowing what we're working with and the benefits or the the disasters that may happen, then it definitely helps you look more knowledgeable, because duh, you know stuff, right? And it shows that you're confident about what you're creating, because you know your stuff. It's not like you just slap stuff together. Your stuff has meaning, and your pieces, and you as the artist and creator become more valuable. Okay, so, and that's what we want, because after all, honey, you are a jewelry diva or don. Yeah, I'm not leaving the men out, because I've had men in my class, my in-person classes too. So gentlemen, you are always welcome. I love everyone, okay? So I hope this helps. And so make sure that you stay tuned for more in this jewelry making series, because I'm showing you some valuable stuff, okay? I will see you in the next lesson.